before you begin doing any updates, make sure your phone is well charged and plug it in to keep it charging. So we have this new update. Get the notification. But if you didn't get the notification, you go to settings, system, software update, Android 14. This is the Xperia 1 Mark V. This is the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. It's already updated to Android 14, but this is actually a new big update. .436 megabytes. Don't know much about it. So let's see. Xperia system update, version 67.1.A.2.208, 436.4 megabytes. It's a pretty large one actually for Xperia 1 Mark V. Xperia 1 Mark V XQ DQ54, the global or EU version. So I go to system, software update. I press on it and now it's ready to download. You can also do it from the menu from here. It goes to the same place. Takes you to the same place. So let's press it. Oh, I pressed twice. Okay, so it's downloading now. It's gonna be pretty quick. Got really fast internet now. The screen might look a bit bluish because these lights here, the camera is set for these lights, 3000 Kelvin. Maybe I would be able to set the screen color to the same as the lights. Okay. Oh, it's already installing. So it did a download and install. It didn't ask me to download first and then install. So the version Xperia system update version 67.1.A.2.208 or 208. This is the tricky part. If you use a memory card, remove the memory card from here, just in case if there are problems with the startup, with the boot process. Also, if you use dual SIM, I think it's a good idea to keep only one SIM card if your model has a dual SIM here, or if you have an eSIM, disable the second eSIM just in case. Maybe this is really not required, not necessary, but I really would like the phone to keep working after this update. I have dual SIM and actually the eSIM is yeah, I have dual SIM, but the second eSIM is, the physical SIM is enabled, the eSIM is disabled. Also, it's a good idea to close any apps that are not related to the update. Just only keep the stuff that you need now. Before the update, the Photography Pro app, this is the version, and the Videography Pro app, that's the version, if you care. And the Cinema Pro app, this is the version. So we're still installing now. Phone is always plugged in. I keep it plugged in all the time. This is the current version, 67.1.A.2.208. 67.1.A.2.208. That's the current version. And after the restart it will still keep doing some things and it will give you a notification that it's finished, it's ready. So it's only step 1 of 3, so it's a big update. Actually it takes some time, looks like. Okay, it's ready, it did all the 3 steps. Step 1 and 2 and 3 are finished. 6:30. You check the time, how long it took. I think it's about at least half hour, maybe 40 minutes. I had it charging all this time. So Xperia system update 436.4 megabytes. This is the time now to actually install it completely. So let's do the restart. This is the spooky part. Will it come back? Will it get stuck on the Xperia logo, stuck on this Sony logo? So far, okay. It's taking a bit of time on the Sony logo here, too much. More than the usual. Okay. Android 14, it's a second or third update after the Android 14 release. I got first Android 14, and it's not just security patches updates because it's pretty large, 400 megabytes. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Okay. Phone restarted. And takes a bit of time to start now. It's normal. Okay. It's still doing some processing, updating in the background until it shows you the notification here. I wouldn't disconnect the charging, but the build number 67.1.A.2.208 now. Model number XQDQ54. Every time after I do a system update like this, it's already there. We got the notification. So the software was updated successfully. Press on it and it will show you the information. What we installed today, this is the software at the time, and you can even see the history. These are the update history. This is the update history, and the latest one is here. So they do update it pretty often actually. And I'll do one more check. Check for update, all good. Apps, all good. One more thing to do. Go to security and Google Play System Update, press on it, check. You might have new updates here. Okay, looks okay. I check again just to be sure. Before it wasn't downloading automatically these Google Play updates, but I think now it's doing these automatically, so that's really good. Video up still works. That was a bit laggy. Okay, the camera app still works. And the info. This is the Video Pro app version now. This is the Camera Pro app version now. I think it's the same. Cinema Pro app works. And this is the Cinema Pro app version now. This is a bit behind, I think. That's it. I mean, phone is still working, so I'm really grateful for that. Okay.